Cardano ADA to $500. Why Cardano is pumping like crazy. Cardano ADA news today. Cardano's native token, ADA, shot up as much as 20% early after its creator Charles Hoskinson stoked hopes that a much-anticipated update is imminent. Hoskinson, who is CEO of Cardano's developer Input-Output HK, said Tuesday he will reveal the date of the final release of the Alonzo update on Friday. We'll be able to announce when the Alonzo hard fork is going to happen, and at that point, you'll be able to run smart contracts on Cardano, he said in a YouTube video. Today, we're going to talk all about why Cardano is pumping like crazy. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 29th of August, shall we? Having faced rejection once again at $2.96, Cardano price is feeling the pull of gravity as it drops to near $2.80, down about 4% on the day. ADA/USD jumped back towards the all-time highs of $3.026 on Friday, although it appears that the bulls are likely to take a few more attempts before resuming the broader uptrend. Cardano's corrective downside could likely be envisioned as short-lived, as the underlying bullish momentum remains intact heading into the September 12th Alonzo hard fork. The third most favorite crypto coin is up 14% over the week, set to book the sixth straight weekly gain. After Monday's record rally, a brief retracement in ADA price was well expected by the market participant before the bulls contemplate the next upswing to conquer fresh lifetime highs. Looking at Cardano's daily sticks, the corrective decline has been encountering strong demand at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of a fresh rally from August 9th lows at $1.362 to the record highs, which is seen at $2.389. Therefore, a daily closing below the latter is likely to provide credence to the reversal from higher levels, exposing a powerful support area around the $2.19 to $2.15 region. The confluence of the bullish 21 daily moving average (DMA) and 50% fib level. Although initial support is now marked at the 78.6% fib level of the same advance at $2.668. Note that the daily RSI retracement from the overbought region, now at 69.03, suggests that the retreat could likely be a good buying opportunity, as ADA price remains on the track to set new bullish targets. Should ADA bulls take out the record highs at $3.026, the next relevant hurdle is seen at the 127.2% fib level at $3.477. Now let's get back to the topic. Let's start with the first news that Hoskinson said that over 100 cryptos will move from Ethereum to Cardano. IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson has expressed that over 100 crypto-based companies will move from Ethereum to Cardano. Hoskinson specifically said that the companies would quit Ethereum and move to Cardano when the ADA network becomes fully matured. According to a Bloomberg interview, Hoskinson expressed his enthusiasm about how ADA has drastically gained popularity nowadays. He also gave thanks to the Cardano team and community for the successful performance this year. Charles Hoskinson said, "We did it right, but it meant we were one of the last ones to get to market. It's been a wild ride. Broke to a billionaire in 8 years is pretty crazy." Consequently, Hoskinson stated that he is even surprised based on how the ADA's market value has increased overwhelmingly nowadays. Moreover, Cardano never stops releasing its products offerings. According to Hoskinson, the ADA company has set out to bring a lot more projects, such as the Goguen implementation. This will initiate smart contracts and many other functionalities into the Cardano blockchain network. Cardano will launch many upcoming blockchain-based projects before this year ends. Recently, Cardano launched its Mary hard fork. The Mary hard fork upgrade is meant to strengthen the Cardano blockchain. In terms of security, Hoskinson said Cardano is more superior compared to Ethereum. Now let's talk about the Alonzo hard fork. Cardano has gained an incredible 116% in the last month. Its founder and crypto trailblazer, Charles Hoskinson, announced the highly anticipated Alonzo upgrade would be released in September. After the Alonzo hard fork, Cardano will allow for the execution of smart contracts on its network. Hence, eco-friendly crypto could become a big name in decentralized finance. Cardano has been one of the best performing crypto since the beginning of the year. It gained a dumbfounding 1,400% since the start of the year, outperforming the industry stalwarts. The recent surge in its price has enabled it to leap past its peers and become the fourth most valuable digital asset. Once the platform allows for the smart contracts, its price could skyrocket to new highs and climb even higher up the pecking order. Its community has heavily criticized Cardano for not offering smart contract support despite the promises. Moreover, some users are skeptical about whether the functionality will ever become a reality with a network. However, it seems that all those concerns will be put to rest in a month. In a video released on YouTube, Nigel Hemsley, head of delivery for Cardano, stated that the Alonzo upgrade would be launched on September 12th. The upgrade will allow Cardano to become a major player in the DeFi realm by incorporating smart contract functionality, facilitating automated cryptocurrency lending and trading. Moreover, Cardano will have more utility to its users, with it being a proof-of-stake currency. Moreover, the upgrade will also bolster tokenization and non-fungible token ideas. ERC20 tokens might also be leveraged on the Cardano chain. The upgrade will enable the digital asset to compete against Ethereum, CCC ETH/USD, a juggernaut in the DeFi sector. However, Cardano's advantages over Ethereum may be short-lived after the latter introduces its ETH 2.0 update. The update marks the transition of the crypto to a proof-of-stake model, which could reduce energy use by up to 99%. Nevertheless, Cardano will benefit immensely from the update on multiple fronts, and compete against the top cryptocurrencies for more market share in the DeFi space. Now let's talk about Charles Hoskinson's response to backlash over new crypto partnership. Charles Hoskinson, co-creator of Ethereum and creator of Cardano, is responding to criticism leveled by Weiss Crypto. The Cardano Foundation announced on Tuesday that the company will comply with anti-money laundering (AML) measures by partnering with blockchain analytics provider Confirm. The partnership will enable exchanges, custodians, and other third parties to track the history of Cardano's native cryptocurrency ADA that is being held in their wallets. The company believes that rigorous compliance will boost adoption of the Cardano blockchain, which is designed to power peer-to-peer transactions and smart contracts using ADA. Weiss Crypto, the subsidiary of leading financial ratings firm Weiss Ratings, blasted the move in a series of tweets. Excessive regulation is how the banking system was choked to death. This partnership with CoinFirm brings Cardano closer to becoming a censorship-prone, politicized, and manipulated network. The whole point of blockchain crypto is to build a new financial and economic layer, free from the control and repression of those who have brought our world economy to the brink of total failure. The onus should be on individual projects, not decentralized networks to adopt these. The established financial elites will never accept the new kid on the block, aka the crypto industry. If you play by their rules, that will only guarantee your demise. Hoskinson replied via Twitter, "The point and the purpose has always been building in layers, building modules, building ecosystems. So while the base layer of the system doesn't care if you're from the United States or Japan, China, wherever, what you can do is add identity and metadata, and all kinds of other things, and those other things give you the ability to be in compliance with your business domain, regulated or otherwise. And that's the reason these partnerships are important. They provide clarity. They provide a lot of business and technical requirements. And they allow us to make the software better for everyone, everywhere, and Cardano to get more adoption in all industries, regulated and unregulated." Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.